everyone, hope you're having a nice beautiful morning, and we are starting our morning with this view. And I also heard some noises from the stadium, so they are probably having a game or something. And now I hope that there is no one up there near the poolside, at least just a couple of people, like not just dozens and dozens. And yeah, hopefully I'll have a nice swim in solitude. The swimming pool area, although it's not really quiet here, already a bit busy, but I guess it will be like this probably during the weekends. I don't know, but at least not as busy as it was during the day yesterday. Some of my lovely cereals for breakfast. One of the shops is sort of their famous cookies. They sell them everywhere. This one is the wedding cookie. It's what Chinese girls used to eat before the wedding. They couldn't get married before they have eaten this thing. And this is taro cake. As far as I know, it's always with this violet color. And this one, I actually forgot what was it. The first one, the most simplest one. Oh wow. It looks like it's with jam or something. I don't know what is it, but it's very tasty. I need to know what is it. I don't know even what to compare it with. It's like something like with maple syrup or something like this. A little bit of white thing, yeah. This one, taro, looks like this inside. Have a little bite. Looks like with beans, something like this. But the first one, this one, so far is the tastiest. And now let's try the pink wedding cake, bride's cake. It feels like it's also with beans, red beans, and honey. Yeah, I suppose. And the first one, the simplest one, was the tastiest and the best. I don't know what they put there, but it's very tasty. Less. What I'm saying. And the last cake I liked less than the others because, I don't know, it has pretty distinctive taste of honey, and I don't really like honey that much. So yeah, but of course they're all very beautiful, colorful. But eating them a little bit messy, and yeah, strongly recommend you this one. We got ready, got dressed, and now we'll go out to do a bit of sightseeing and to see what's Georgetown like. It's really hot outside today, like really hot, and it's such a striking difference when you were just in Cameron Highlands like just a day ago and you could wear a jumper, and now you're wearing very light clothes and still it's incredibly hot. Turn. And it came to this, I don't know, sort of like a little tiny village. Such a rural area. Very quiet. Yeah, interesting. Quite authentic atmosphere. There's also a mosque nearby, where I live. What do we have here? Party stage. And I gotta say, they do have a lovely view here, so it's not that hot as could be, and also under the canopies and the trees it's lovely to walk. But also have a few birds, also quite beautiful tall buildings, McDonald's, and the temple, the Buddhist temple. No building for the whole McDonald's, and quite surprised, never seen such McDonald's Although I don't see them, don't see it in general, because we don't have it in Russia. We have now the substitution of it, which is called tasty and period. Just like inside. Oh yeah, they have the BTS, J-Hope, Jimin, V, Jungkook, J-Hope, Jimin, V. Oh wow, I want it. Trying to scare away the pigeons out of their temple, and they're just circling around, and probably now will return back. Oh no. They decided to choose a more silent and quiet tree, except for this one. Restaurant, Kirin Sushi. Probably something tasty in Japanese. Another mosque. Very tall building. I know how many stories there. Different trinkets, different stuff here. Probably it's a fan or something. Like you do something like this. And enjoy your life more. I know. So some more different fans and stuff. Else? Rucksacks. Lots of different shops. Bananas, everything. And I can see on the website quite big shopping center. H&M decided to come to the shopping center. Cool and fresh here after all this heat. It got really sweaty and cold. People just taking umbrellas with them, not because of the rain, but because of this excessive sun rays. I'm quite curious to compare the assortment of the goods here in comparison with Russia, whether it's different, but I haven't been H&M for quite a while, so I can't really say this, can't really judge. Everything they have here, lots of places with food. Brown sugary things. Already iPhone 17 Pro Max case. Just did a little bit of shopping and I got this. This is adapter for charging, because actually here I struggle a lot with charging, and this adapter will be quite handy. Kids stuff, different tiny toys. This is quite cool. I guess I probably will buy some of this for my friends. Try. Crazy. So many things here. 4K. Pure gold. Let's try this one. Things for school. Very cute things. Quite like it when I used to go to school. Oh, I just need to stay sane and not to buy everything I see. Different design stuff. Try this handheld pen. Is it called? Is it only one? Oh, they have different modes. Oh, yeah. Oh, it has 3 modes. Pretty cool, actually. Refreshing. I guess we need to get one. Very cute cups. Just lovely. I would like to have such one. And just drink coffee or this one. You know, I get everything so badly. I will just buy all this stuff. All these accessories for hair. Everything. It's so beautiful. Crazy. Should I get one of these ribbons? I suppose. You can find here everything, I tell you. Even some different stuff to eat. Oh, it's probably not to eat, it's probably tea. Different snacks. Oh, I'm gonna stay and live here. It's perfect. It's perfect, I tell you. I guess, what's this beautiful thing? I don't know what it is, but it's beautiful. And my soap, wow, lovely. Just amazing. And this pink one. Look at this. Knit-room boxes. Wow. It's actually very meticulous work. I tried to do one. and realized that it's crazy to have this ribbon. Really cute thing. And I decided that I can get by without. I purchased this ribbon. I don't know if you could see this. Probably you can. Hope it looks cute and suits me. Very funny sign. Please don't see this on the verge of breaking. This is our drink. Speedy collagen. Let's see what it's like. I'm going to become a younger. Oh my goodness. It's all going up. And now, no, wait, why they have these tissues nearby? It's like ice cream. It's like ice cream with banana, with strawberries or some berries. Very tasty. Can see the name because of this cone. Taco Bell here. They say lots of traffic on the roads. Are these things? So many of them in such big bags. So before this road market, this road used to be smell like fish, salted fish, which was dried in the sun. I suppose not the best smell. Oh. Almost fell, but what a green place. So much greenery and vegetation, and just all this architecture. Oh, fabulous, beautiful, marvelous, marble, and all the adjectives I could think of to the Upside Down Museum. So this is how it looks like. This Upside Down Museum. You can have a lovely breakfast. Top of the city.
Also, while I'm peacefully walking, wanted to say it would be really nice if you subscribe on my channel or leave any comment. Thank you.
Also, bedroom and bathroom, toilet, kitchen. Oh. Let's see what's there. Grocery stores on the second floor.
We can walk inside.
Oh, we can even walk inside. We can get some fresh veggies. Carrots, corns, cucumbers, lettuce. So play some billiards here if you want to. Postcards with Spider-Man for some reason. Okay, all these corridors back. Oh yeah, there is something else here. So I forgot. Squid Game. All the visitors are leaving their cards everywhere. They're just everywhere. This is the Armenian street heritage. Quite a few of the Armenians are coming here and building some of these buildings. It's very interesting that even Armenia took part in their in their architecture of this town. Rather colorful looking street. Fancy way of transport, means of transport.
Rickshaw.
Yeah. Some more of this beautiful architecture. I'm really in awe with this architecture, all these little tiny streets, all this authentic atmosphere. So beautiful. So fabulous. This shop with different skirts, dresses. Everything is bright and colorful. More shops. The French bakery, Le Petit Four, Patisserie. And the restaurant with 2 Michelin stars. Interesting. And a place with cakes. Patisserie in boulangerie. last friend, durian, of course. What a wonderful place with cakes. They have just... Yeah, they have first cakes and then right next to them goes durian. It's like for sort of contrast. You need to have something not that good and tasty as cakes right next to it. The famous street art. Beautiful area. Some watermelon juice. Oh, perfect for this heat. There is the famous umbrella body. Now we have come to more Indian area, let's say. Oh, sliding. They can just run over you.
Little bladder.
Yeah, a bit more of Indian surroundings, blended with Asian culture. Interesting atmosphere. My camera's battery went off when we were walking around Georgetown, so I couldn't really film it, the rest of it. And today, instead, I'm going to film you this beautiful view I have. And it's just this town. Just wow. During the nights, it has just another colors, another lure, but very enticing, charming atmosphere.